Hi guys, welcome to the active channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on restriction mode on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. Then you can see on top right corner your profile icon. Click on this. Then just scroll down and you'll find here easily restricted mode, which is off. So what you're gonna do is, if you want to turn this on, just click on this arrow sign option or click on this whole option, and it will see like this small window. Then you can see here activate restricted mode, which is toggle here. Just toggle this on and your restricted mode is turned on right now. So guys, this is how you can turn on restricted mode on YouTube. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.